Alright everybody, yeah, you can see I'm back out here in the cold, but yeah, they warmed up to about 19, I think it said 18, 19, I don't know, doesn't matter, the wind's not blowing, so I think I can get a little bit done. You can see there in the background, yeah, I put Justin to work and push that old motorhome back over here. Got her up out of the hole. Get around it there. That's another project I got going, but squirrel in her nut. And my Studebaker. Get back on this here. Next videos you're gonna see are me climbing under this thing, but at least, boy, that's heavy with that snow on there. At least I'm closer to the shop, closer to the house, so I can run in and grab a cup of cowboy hand warmer, or as the wife likes to call it, black bean tea, because I drink 4, 5, 6 pots a day. Anyway, that's what you're gonna see there. But ran in another one of those little quirks of the winter time. I'll show you. Last night she got so cold she froze the water trough. The heater in my water trough here for my horse gave out. So what is it, February now? Yeah, this stuff lasts until, well, pretty much until April. I'm gonna be packing buckets every morning now. Because that's way too heavy. And a plastic trough, if I tip it over, it's going to shatter. And I'm going to be another 200 bucks out on another water trough. So it looks like I'm packing water for the rest of the year. If it ain't one thing, it's 12. But every time I get to come out here, I get to take a look at a hot rod in the making. Hey, it's all worth it, right? So I'm gonna get busy over there, get my horse some water again, and get this to going. What do you think, Monday? You thirsty? Let's get you some water, girl. All right, we'll catch you later. Meantime, get that metal hot so that stuff don't happen. All right, we'll see you later.